Here they come. Yeah, you can. Let's see if he trips out.
Guess who's back?
Guess who's back? Let's see. There he is. Look at him. He's gonna take off. $100 he takes off. $100 he takes off.
Entrance or shame?
No? Yep, he's taking off.
Entrance or shame?
I made him bounce. Shut him down. Shut him down. That's what we do. Shut him down. All right. Call him back in. Call him back in.
Roger that.
Elvis has left the building. Let's check these cop cars out. Let's check these cop cars out. See? Off right now. Reflection in the shit. Let me check this one out real quick. Either way.
Unless you want to do the stage.
Yeah, that's what I said. We'll figure it out. Let me see if this guy's slipping. Nope. These guys are on the ball. These guys are on the ball. These guys are on the ball. Good job to the police here in Fresno Airport. And I'm getting the hell out of here. Let's go.